Hi everyone, my name's Julie Hill. I'm an independent Kaszazz consultant based in Gippsland, Victoria in Australia, and today I just wanted to run through our card making and scrapbooking quick kits for you, just so you've got a better idea of what's included in them. These kits are great value. They're great for beginners, but they're also great for people that have been scrapbooking or card making for a long time, for something quick and easy, something they might want to take away with them, something to keep them occupied if they're stuck at home, like we are now. For those, if you're watching this later on, I am filming this during the COVID-19 lockdowns. So our scrapbooking kits, these kits are just $19.95. They come in most of our collections, so you can get a great variety of them. In the kit, you're going to get an inspiration sheet like this, which has a scrapbook layout on it that you can choose to copy or you can choose to do your own thing. Then you've got the details of what's in the kit, and it's got some helpful hints about what was done to make the workshop, the layout that's chosen. You don't, as I said, you don't have to make this, and there's not actual step-by-step instructions, but it gives you an idea, and they're usually fairly easy to follow. So in this particular kit, you get a roll of ribbon. This is beautiful swirly lace ribbon, and you'll get different embellishments in each kit, but it does tell you what comes in them. You get a packet of chipboards. Obviously that's going to do more than one layout. You're going to have plenty of leftovers. You get this sheet of printed images. Now these are all images that we have available as stamps as well, but this sheet comes pre-printed for you, ready to just cut out and stick on. You get, all our collections have 3 double-sided papers, so this is the Mediterranean collection, and you get one of each sheet of the papers in the kits. So they're double-sided, beautiful papers. All our papers are high quality and made in Australia. I think they're 190 GSM, somewhere around that, so nice and thick. And so that's your 3 papers that you get. And then in your scrapbook kit, you also get your 2 sheets of cardstock to use for your base pages. Or of course you could use the others for base pages, use these for photo mats, whatever you want to do with them. So they're a great kit. You know that everything's going to coordinate. They make great gifts. So yeah, that's the scrapbook kit. As I said, they're $19.95. Just pop that one out of the way. Now the card making kits, they're $29.95. They are designed to make at least 20 cards. So on the image here on the front, you've got 20 cards and the list of what's included and some helpful hints. Inside this sheet opens up and you've got all the cards shown individually to make it easier to follow what cards you can make. Once again, you don't have to make these exact cards, you can do your own thing, but a lot of people like some sort of idea of what to make. You also get your printed images. So this one is more of a masculine one, it's our urban collection. So it's got sports and rock and roll stuff, great for the teenagers and those sorts of things. So you've got sentiments here that you can cut out as well as the images. Now you also get your embellishments. So this one comes with a packet of cogs and the metal feathers, a roll of ribbon. So this is the 1/8 of an inch organdy white. You've got your card bases. These are a pack of 30, so you've got plenty left over. And then you also get your 3 double-sided sheets of printed paper. So that's the Urban Collection papers. Now all of these products are available individually. The printed images sheets are available as stamps if you want those images. But $29.95, it's a great buy to get 20 cards out of. So that's like $1.50 a card. So great value. These are also great for kids. There's a huge range, so you've got more feminine ones, you've got more kids ones, and more older masculine ones. So check out the link that I'll post with the video to my web store and you can see what we've got available for you now. If you've got any questions, feel free to shout out. Thanks for watching. Bye.